So I've recently uninstalled OneDrive from my computer. You can see this by going into Add or Remove Programs, and you can delete it yourself if you find it annoying. However, whenever I open up my File Explorer, I still have the OneDrive in the To remove it, open up Registry Editor by typing in RegEdit and hitting Accept to the admin privileges. Then I want you to copy and paste the link in the description. Well, it's not a link, it's the root menu. And we're going to double click on system is pin2.spacetree, and we're going to change that to 0. After that, we should be done. If you have any other questions or concerns on how to fix something on a computer, feel free to add a comment and I'll be sure to reply. Thank you very much.